Check out this video.
What Stoic principle makes anyone unstoppable? Keep going, step by step. Even if it is just a tiny progress daily, put in the effort consistently no matter what, focusing on the vision. Don't get deterred by opinions, moods, praise or criticism, daily occurrences, politics, and emotional people who don't have a grip on themselves. Don't be like the waves on the surface of the sea. Be like the ocean current, and the sky is the limit.
This creator has over 341,000 subscribers, and all their videos are centered around the Stoic niche. So I've built an automation that creates videos just like this, and we're going to try and recreate or create a similar video to this Stoic niche style storytelling sort of video using my automation. So let's give it a shot and see what we get. All right, so here we are in my AI automated faceless story generator. This is the actual Airtable base I built for the full step-by-step how to build this automation from scratch. I got the link down below. So what we're gonna do is create a new story here. I'm gonna click the plus to create a new story. We'll just name it Stoicism. So I want this to be short form. I'll choose a portrait orientation. Now we can choose a writer or writing style, but I don't really have anything for the Stoicism niche. So I'm gonna create one right now. I'll come into my story writers table, create a new writer here. This will just be named Stoic Writer. Great, let's add some writer instructions. I'm gonna pop over to ChatGPT. We'll craft a prompt real quick. Stoic mindfulness. Craft me a prompt that will intake a paragraph about Stoicism, analyze the text, focusing on Stoic mindfulness. Now we can really get serious about it and say, is this the best way? ChatGPT will write a better prompt. Then we can say, please write so I can copy and paste. There is our new Stoic writer prompt. I'm going to copy that, come back into the automation here, and paste that right there. Let's jump back into our stories table, and now we can select that new writer. I'll come down, find my Stoic writer. Now I'll choose an image style, same thing over here. I want to create a new image style for these sort of Greek statue figures. I'm going to come into my prompt presets, and we'll create a new record here, call it Greek statue. This will be a style, and we could write something like this right here. For every figure in the following instructions, imagine them as a Greek statue carved from marble, reimagined ancient Greek setting of, say, in a reimagined ancient Greek setting of. There's the prompt preset for the image prompts. That is the text prompt that will create our images. Let's jump back into stories. Now we can select that new prompt style. There it is, Greek statue. And now we can input our story source. So I'm going to take that original story from that other video. Here is the transcription right here. The automation is going to take this transcription and create a new script, a new paragraph based on this one. So let's paste that one right in here. And now we can choose some automatic settings. I'm going to do everything manually for this one. Let's generate our images and videos manually. I'll set it to manual and click start. That's going to run this scenario. We can see it writing the stories currently. Let's jump back into Airtable and come into our generation table. The automation has come up with all of the scenes we're going to have, all of the voiceover text and the AI image prompts here. You can see our preset built in there. Here's the full prompt. So we have a wise philosopher stands firm among the blooming flowers. That one looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look at this prompt. Pretty good. Now, keep in mind, I set the auto settings to manual, so I am generating each of these manually. We could set this to auto and it would create the image, audio, the video, and merge everything together all on its own. But I'm coming in here. I want a little more manual control of this one just to double check. We could edit any of these prompts if we need to. And just gone through and checked out all the prompts. They all look pretty good. These first two images came back. Let's take a look. Very nice. Let's look at the next one. Looks great. So I can go ahead and generate all of these images. And while those images are generating, I can take a look at the voiceovers. Great, so these voiceovers all look pretty good. All of the images came back. We can preview the rest of the images. They look excellent. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate the audio, and I can do that for all of the clips. Now let's go ahead and wait on that audio and we can generate the video. We got all the audio clips back. Now we're waiting on these videos to come through. While the videos are generating, I'm gonna jump over to my Suno account and I got some background musics here I can add into this video. We'll just say strong, powerful, uplifting music for a stoic mindfulness video. Let's create that music. We're gonna go with this one, download that music. Let's jump back into our automation. While we were working on the music, we got all the videos come in here. Just running through these, I think I want to regenerate this audio. Let's throw that one back in there, but everything else looks pretty good. We got that new audio generation back, so let's go ahead and merge all of our audio and video. I'll click this first one, say merge audio, video, and drag that down to perform that action for all of these scenes. Perfect, we got all of our merged clips back. We can jump into the assembly table over here and start building out the final video. Here's our stoicism video with all of the clips back. We can drop our music file right in there. I'll go ahead and click assemble to start building this out. And I'll just drop that music file straight into there and we'll wait for our finished video. There it is, guys. The final video just came through. Let's take a look at the final product.
Stoic mindfulness involves recognizing our thoughts and surroundings while staying grounded in the present, unmoved by outside forces. Being aware of good and bad events helps us accept them and remain balanced, observing life with calm eyes. Empowerment comes from responding thoughtfully, poised amid chaos and demonstrating grace under pressure. Practicing awareness fosters inner peace, like a statue of serenity amidst the storm, symbolizing strength in calmness. Awareness in the face of chaos leads to clarity and purpose, like the sun's illumination, while darkness looms nearby. Find strength in simply being, like a statue rooted deeply in the earth. Clarity amid life's turmoil. Navigate life's chaos with purpose and resilience. Be the leader through the tumultuous storm. Amid the swirling events of life, we find clarity in stoic presence, offering guidance and strength.
All right, pretty amazing final product there. We could easily drop this into any video editing tool and add in some cool overlays and effects. That is incredible what we can do with just a few button clicks using this automation. And there it is, pretty amazing. If you guys want to learn how to build this thing, I have the link in the description below. You can check out the full YouTube video on how to build this one from scratch. If you like my videos and want to support what I'm doing, you can join my school community. I've got the link down below. It's a growing community. We got a bunch of people in here building automations like this. We're all helping each other out in the group. And if you join, you'll have access to all of my automation templates and make.com blueprints to simply download and just start using the automations right away. So if you're truly interested in learning this automation stuff, I suggest you check it out and join up. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the group, and I'll see you in the next one.